Welcome back to Joe Bob's Garage. This is going to be a great one.
Totally wicked!
Yeah, no, what it is the pivot point of where the trike rear end mounts to the Sportster, where the swing arm was on the Sportster. There are different size axles or pins, or whatever you call them in there. They're the wrong size. Well, they're both two different sizes, so I've got to figure out how I'm going to get that to work, everything line up, and I'm going to weld the rear end on the bike and get the pivot going. I want to get this done before I tear the bike down. I'm going to eventually tear the bike all the way down and go for a minimalist bobber look trike. That's my plan. So yeah, let's get on this. Here are the two different axles. This is the one that came with the trike rear end, and the bigger one there, that's from the swing arm on the Sportster. Of course, I'm going to use the thicker one from the Sportster. And I had to go to Metals Depot to get pivot point material. Metals Depot, I tell you what, they gave me the correct inside diameter and the correct outside diameter. Yeah, when I cut this piece and I put my little piece over here on this end, off of this pipe, and I do this piece over here, right, and I'll run this little, I don't know what you would call it, pivot point axle or whatever. When this is all bolted in and everything's in shape, I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut these off of it, right here and here. So I really didn't need to burn those out, but it gave me something fun to do. So I'm going to cut these off, bring it up, attach it to it, clamp everything into place, and then tack weld it. So, and then I can pull the pin, take it off, and then do some heavy welding around it. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, that looks like that's going to work just fine. Yeah, so let me fit it up to the bike.
Might as well rock and roll.
By using where that pivot was mounted before, it looks like that'll help keep everything square. This ought to work. use this strap to pull everything up tight and hold it in place while I tack weld everything in place. And I need to make a spot to put the ground clamp for the welder. Cover your eyes. Time to do the finish welding. We might as well rock and roll. All right, this looks like this might work. I just stuck these in here as a holder right now. Gotta get some new shocks. That looks all right. Looks nice and straight there. Yeah. All right, that'll work.